the news you count on. NBC2 News at 5:30.
A Cape Coral man convicted of killing and raping a girl when he was just a teenager will not get a second chance of freedom, at least not yet.
Joshua Henninger was 16 at the time. He was sentenced to life in prison for his role in the murder of 17-year-old Anna Marie Randazzo. A judge ruled today that he will receive a life sentence. NBC2 investigator Evan Dean is live at the courthouse in Fort Myers, where the decision just came down.
Yeah, Kelly and Peter, the Cape Coral police chief called this one of the most heinous cases in his 25-plus year career in law enforcement. It happened back in 2005. That's when the body of 17-year-old Anna Marie Randazzo was found abandoned, burned in a refrigerator in Lehigh Acres. Henninger and 23-year-old Jeremy Chapman were sentenced to life in prison for her murder. But in 2012, the Supreme Court ruled it unconstitutional for teens to receive life in prison without parole, meaning Henninger could get a new hearing to be resentenced. Today, 19 years after that crime, that hearing finally happened. Joshua Henninger, now 35 years old, back in court, nearly 2 decades after his original trial.
As I go through each day, there's an emptiness inside of me that never goes away.
It was as emotional now as it was then. Anna Marie's family took the stand to testify, a family that's never healed from the pain of losing her.
Not a shred of leniency should be awarded to Joshua Henninger. To grant this man any opportunity for a second chance would be an affront to her memory and a betrayal of justice.
Henninger at times broke down into tears. Among those testifying in his defense, a doctor, a fellow inmate, and even Henninger himself, who said the other suspect, Chapman, influenced him and was the driving force behind the crimes.
I have flashbacks. I have debilitating anxiety. I have so much shame.
Ultimately, Judge Bruce Kyle said the nature of the crime, which he called cruel and atrocious, warrants a life sentence. However, because he was a juvenile during the crime, the assistant state attorney said Henninger is eligible to have his sentence reviewed after 20 years in prison. That means his first review could be next year. For Anna Marie's family, that means this is only a temporary victory.
Obviously, like I said, it's what we wanted, but it's still...
It's going to resurface again, and we just want it over.
It's like a reoccurring nightmare,
Just want it to go away, and it won't.
Just want to be at peace. I want peace for my family. That's all I want is peace.
Henninger does have 30 days to file an appeal to today's ruling. As for that review, that could happen as soon as next year. Count on NBC2 to let you know what happens as we continue to follow this case. Reporting live in Fort Myers, Evan Dean, NBC2.